right now it is March 4th, Monday, and I'm getting my braces off, so I thought I would do kind of like a mini vlog and film that whole event. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's gonna be like a bunch of little clips pieced together probably. Yeah, stay tuned. So this is what I decided to wear. Just this pink fluffy jacket over a gray t-shirt with this like white cream colored line there. And then just these black pants. So simple, but it worked. Alright guys, so we're off to the orthodontist now. I'm just putting my shoes on. I just realized, or I remembered, that I have to get those imprints for the retainers, and I heard that they taste really disgusting, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, let's go. Coming.
Let me see, Sophia.
Oh wow.
Are you happy?
Okay, that's enough. Alright, so they're off. How do you feel? Alright, well we're off to the pancake house to get some breakfast. And yeah, then I'm gonna have to go back to school. Which is sad, but you know, I can't miss gym and gotta get to work. So we'll see you guys at the pancake house. Here we go. Never been to the pancake house, so we'll see what I get. Got some fresh fruit, coffee. We also got a Dutch baby, and I got some egg whites. So I'm back home now and from school. I showered. Still not really used to my smile yet, or the feeling, because like the braces actually take up so much space, and when they took them off, my lips felt numb. My teeth felt weird. But anyway, I'm kind of getting used to it. So this is basically the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and give it a like if you enjoyed watching this. Thanks. Peace.